In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a HoneyBook contact form to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to streamline your client communication and manage your inquiries more efficiently. Let's dive right in. The first step in this process is all about creating your HoneyBook contact form. To begin, head over to the HoneyBook platform. From your dashboard, navigate to the menu and select Tools. Here, you'll find the option for Contact Form. Click on it, and this will allow you to create your default contact form, which will be used for all new inquiries coming your way. Now that you're in, it's time to customize your form to gather the information that's most relevant for your business. Think about the details that will help you manage projects effectively. I recommend including fields such as name, email, phone number, project type, referral source, and something extra, a box where potential clients can provide any additional information you might need to know. What's great about HoneyBook forms compared to other options like Squarespace or Showit is that the fields on your form automatically connect to new projects. This means that if someone selects website design as their project type, they will instantly be categorized as a website design client and will receive the appropriate welcome email automated by HoneyBook. This functionality saves time and ensures seamless communication. Once you've set up the fields, you can also adjust the form's appearance to align with your brand. Change the button color and text to make the form visually consistent with your site's design. When you're satisfied with both the content and look, go ahead and click Publish. HoneyBook will now generate an embed code for your form, which you can easily copy just by clicking a button. With your embed code ready, it's time to add it to your Squarespace website. Go to your site and open or create the page where you want your contact form to appear. From here, add an embed code block to the page. Remember, to do this, you need to be on a professional Squarespace plan or higher. Since code blocks aren't available on basic plans, paste the embed code you've copied from HoneyBook into this block. While you're in the editing view, you might notice a script disabled notification where your form should be. Don't worry, this is normal. Simply click on the preview button to see how your form will appear to your site visitors. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish, and your HoneyBook contact form will be live on your Squarespace site. And there you have it. Your contact form is now fully integrated with your Squarespace website. This setup not only makes it easier for clients to reach you, but also enhances your ability to manage inquiries effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time with more helpful tips and tricks for your digital endeavors.